Snapline has 3 capture modes, each one shortcut away. Here is the tour. Control-Shift-1 captures a region. Control-Shift-2 picks a window, and Control-Shift-3 grabs the full screen. Every mode files the shot the exact same way. Window mode shows a live picker. Click any window thumbnail and Snapline captures it at native resolution, even on multiple monitors, sharp enough to zoom into later. The tray menu is your control center. Set the active project there, and every new capture files itself into it automatically. Switching client work takes 2 clicks. 2 more tricks. Pin floats a screenshot always on top, perfect for copying values between apps. And every capture can also land on your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere. Region, window, full screen. 1 shortcut each, filed automatically, copy it if you want. Next video projects, tags, and search that reads your screenshots.